Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the part 3 of the web application I've been building. So in the first part we could see me talking about the registration, second part the profile and the edit profile, and this is the third part. Like this is the third part. I'm still working on the chat system yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys that because that's the third part. And note please, this does the front end of the chat system. I'm not done with the back end of the chat system yet, so let's go right into it. And no, this is actually a single page application, and the only place that, if you watched my last video, the only part of this application that is not single paged is the edit profile, and I have my reasons why I actually made that not to be a single page application. So let's go to the chat system here. Like as you can see, we have like a beautiful yet incomplete chat menu here. Like it's not completed yet, like I still need to edit some stuff here, like edit some stuff. So let us show you the basics of what I've actually imputed. So you could see here the status, and when this is done, it's actually going to be rendering from the database whether the person is away, and you can also change that. So you could see, like you put it on busy, it changes to red. This does adding and removing classes like stuff. And you could see this place here. I'm not actually done with this place yet, like I just kept that there for future use, but I'm not actually done with it yet. So the next thing on this chart here is the add contacts. Yeah. So if you click this add contacts, it's actually going to take us to another page. And please note that this is an SPA, also known as single page application, using Ajax. So as you can see here, we are in another page, and this page, when we click these buttons, it's actually going to do something, but I've not done that yet. It's only one I've only done is only this all. When you click this all, you could see all the the queries, like name of the queries in the database. So this is actually rendering directly from the database, like it's directly from the database, and I'm actually using Ajax. So there's something like this bar, like this stuff you're seeing, like this bar is actually, let me count how many different pages are actually here. This one, this two, this three, and this four. So we actually have four different pages like combined into one, and that's the beautiful thing about Ajax, because this is the main home page. This is actually another page, like this body is actually another page. This place that these names are, like this stuff here, actually another page, and this place that is rendering from the database actually another page. And added one cool stuff to it. Let me go to the dashboard. Added one cool stuff to it. The moods actually changed. I actually did some little tweaking in the moods. So this is the default mood here, like you can all see. This is the dark mood, and this is the light mood. So I actually changed the light mood. Like before, the light mood, like let me show you something. Like the light mood was only here that was actually light. This place was still the same color. So I actually changed that because it will actually be nicer to actually have a very dope light mood like this. So that's all for today's video. Like when I've updated and when I've gone find the code, I'm actually going to post the part 5 of this video. And I think I'm actually going to start draw. I know I've been saying that I'm going to drop the code. I'm going to soon start dropping code. I think when we are through with the project, I'm actually going to drop the code, because I don't want to drop half baked code. So I'm just going to get through with the project, then drop the code. So if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel, drop a like this video, comment your thoughts. Like if you actually really want me to drop the code before the end of the project, just tell me. But if you actually want to wait, just comment your thoughts, and please share these videos. And I'm actually happy I've reached 15 subscribers. I know that is actually a very small milestone, but actually appreciate you guys for actually subscribing to my channel. And I got to 15 subscribers. I think that was yesterday. That's why I actually saw the subscribe increment. So thank you guys very much, and subscribe to this channel. Like my goal is actually to get to 100 subscribers before the end of this year. It's actually very realistic. Yeah. And if I could monetize my channel before the end of this year, that's actually going to be a nice one to me. So let's just see. Please subscribe, like, comment, and when you're subscribing, please turn on the notification so that you're actually going to get updated when a new video is dropped. Because if you don't turn on the notification, I'm actually going to get updated. So just turn on the notification when you subscribe. So when anytime I release a video, you'll be the first to know that I actually released a new